Here's one thing that I use to generate more creative ideas. Let's go for a walk. Here's somewhere I go to generate more creative ideas for my videos. I get my most creative ideas when I'm not looking for them. Kimchi, my trusty sidekick and unpaid intern, is essential for that. Taking long walks with him around Moore and Centennial Park is my favourite thing to inspire more interesting ideas. I think you need to get a bit bored before the uniquest and weirdest ideas start to come out, and that time away from my phone and notifications is really helpful for me to clear mental space and empty my brain. My favourite spot is on top of this hill that overlooks the city. Kimchi loves to contemplate his future climbing the corporate ladder, and I think about nothing in particular. And that's when the best ideas happen. That is my contribution to the From Me to You community video project. Join me by sharing a personal cultural experience from your neighborhood, a local tradition, hidden gem you go to for inspiration, local music, or food. Just use Premiere Pro or Rush to record your video and share using the hashtag From Me to You. I'd love to see what you share.